Hey there, and welcome to Leather Honey. Today I'll be showing you the exact process you need to restore any black leather furniture you own using our Leather Honey leather and vinyl recoloring balm. To get started, if your leather is dirty like this couch, it's important to clean the debris or surface dirt and grime. And if you're a pet owner like I am, you know how easily dirt and pet hair can accumulate. So ensure you gently vacuum any dirt, pet hair, or other debris before applying your balm. From there, we just want to give our leather a quick wipe down using our Leather Honey leather cleaner and a microfiber cloth. As with all products, it's important to spot test to prevent any unexpected results. Dirt and debris can add up real fast, and you'd be surprised how much comes off. For stains or embedded dirt or grime, gently agitate your leather with a horsehair brush. And if you're concerned about darkening, spot test and then spray onto a cloth or directly onto your brush, and then start brushing. I'm familiar with my leather, so I'm going to be spraying directly onto the leather. Agitating your leather with a brush removes even more embedded dirt and debris, which allows us a clean surface area to work with when we apply our balm. From here, continue to clean each panel of your leather until clean, and remember to be thorough for best results. For hard to reach areas, use a clean toothbrush around seams and nooks and crannies. For best results, you always want to switch to a clean portion of your cloth so that you don't wipe grime back into your leather. Now for best results, if you're dealing with uneven or rough leather, you can use a fine grit sandpaper of 500 to 1000 grit to smooth out any rough patches where the leather fibers may have become dry and lifted up. Just know that this is a more intermediate step and that this may sand off any color or surface coating of your leather. Once your leather feels smooth to the touch, give it one last wipe down and you're ready for the next step. Now moving on to our next step, we'll be taking Leather Honey leather and vinyl recoloring balm in black. I'm going to be unscrewing the cap and removing the foil seal. You want to make sure that you don't squeeze the tube while you remove the seal, or you may accidentally squeeze out some balm. As always, spot test to ensure no unexpected results. You can apply the balm in two ways. First, you can apply the balm directly from unscrewing the cap and then applying it onto a cloth, paper towel, or brush. Or you can pop off the cap to reveal a sponge applicator, which makes it very easy for touch-ups or even distribution. The goal here is to apply a thin, even layer of balm using circular motions to ensure full, even coverage. If you happen to apply too much balm at once, simply wipe off any excess for a thin, even coat before drying. Note that using heavier, thicker coats instead of thin, even coats may result in dye transfer. Note that this balm is great for covering and restoring scratches, marks, discoloration, fading, and more. When applying the balm on seams or in crevices, use a clean toothbrush for best results. For quick and easy results on larger surfaces, apply the balm onto a horsehair brush and then disperse evenly. From there, allow the balm to dry for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight, and then wipe off any excess until no dye transfer from your cloth. And look at that, the results speak for themselves. For best results and to further lock in color, use our Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. Once again, for larger areas, you can spray directly onto a horsehair brush for best results. Once fully dry, wipe the surface with a clean cloth and continue wiping until no dye transfers to the cloth. If excess balm was applied, color transfer will be normal. Simply wipe until no color transfer remains. You know you're finished when your leather surface looks new and rejuvenated and no color transfers onto your cloth. With Leather Honey Leather and Vinyl Recoloring Balm, restoring faded leather doesn't require special tools, harsh chemicals, or expensive refinishing. It's a straightforward way to bring back color, even out wear, and extend the life of the leather you already own. For more tips, guides, and special offers, visit leatherhoney.com. I'm Evan, Leather Honey's leather care specialist, and remember that leather is forever with Leather Honey. Leather Honey. Trusted since 1968.